Oh my God. Clutch in, girl. Jesus Christ.
Why do I need the clutch in if I'm moving? So these, don't scratch them. Those are my good ones.
What's going on, family? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to let this girl drive the Z06. Oh my God. How many times do you think you're going to kill it?
Maybe once.
Once?
Yeah.
So at like 3 or 4, I'm just going to be like, yo, we're going to try a different time.
Okay. All right.
All right. Now, do you understand like the concept of the manual? Of a manual car?
Maybe.
So what you're doing when you push the clutch in is that you're separating the transmission from the engine.
Clutch is my far left?
Yeah.
Sort of like the bike?
Yeah.
Okay.
Has a clutch, right? Just like the bike, you got your gas and you got your clutch, and those two go kind of hand in hand.
Right.
So now this is better than the bike because you won't fall.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So now most manual cars, to turn the car on, the car has to be, you have to push the clutch in to turn it on.
Okay.
For some reason, this car you don't. I don't know why not or what happened.
Okay.
So go ahead and push the clutch in. Now push the clutch in first.
Wait.
Are you pushing it? Okay.
Yeah.
So are you far enough or no?
I don't know.
You pushing it all the way to the wall?
It's not all the way to the ground.
Okay. So scoot the chair up.
I can't scoot that far. Oh my God, I was way off.
Yeah. So you need to let it down. Let it down. If it's too high up.
Okay. All right.
All right.
All right. It's on the ground.
All right. So pull that back in neutral.
Neutrals.
Just pull it back. You got 6 gears.
6.
We're going to use like maybe 2 of them.
Okay.
Okay. First gear is always the hardest. No matter what manual you drive, first gear is the hardest to get out of. This is especially the camp car. Go ahead and try to put it into first gear. So first you go.
I'm in neutral right now?
You're in neutral right now. So the way you can always know you're in neutral. Oh, that was good. So the way you always know you're in neutral is if you can move it back and forth. Once it's in gear, it ain't gonna move back and forth. You know what I'm saying?
Left and right.
Yeah.
So I'm in neutral.
Yep.
That's first.
Yep.
Second. Third. Fourth.
Yep.
Fifth.
Yep. And then there's a 6. You don't need all that.
Whatever.
So you think you're good? I'm just saying we ain't got that much
I'm
space.
gonna get to 7th gear.
Girl, start the car up. So right now it's in neutral. You know what the brake is?
I do.
Because worst case scenario, push the clutch in, push the brake in. All right, you ready?
I think so.
So go ahead, clutch in first. Okay, now you're gonna give it gas and ease out of the clutch, just lightly.
Bye-bye.
Jesus Christ, already?
I'm in neutral.
Yep.
Start it back up?
Yeah. Clutch down. Okay, go to first gear. First gear, yeah, it's probably 3rd. There you go. Okay. Now you give it a little bit, because of the cam, give it a little bit of gas first. Okay.
Just like the bike.
Yeah. Yeah. So give it a little bit of gas and then slowly ease out of the clutch. You moving. Oh my God. Clutch in, girl. Jesus Christ.
Why do I need the clutch in if I'm moving?
Clutch, okay. Clutch in. You're not. That's not good. You don't want to rock like that. And why are you going toward the center block?
Okay, so tell me what to do then.
Okay. You have to give it gas. Okay. So you did fine. You're giving the gas, and then you just like came out of the clutch, and then it started shaking. Okay.
Yeah.
So
that's what I do with the bike.
And it shakes?
No.
Okay. Well, this ain't the bike.
I give it gas and I come out of the clutch so that I don't jerk.
This is cam. So it's a little bit different.
Okay.
All right. So good. Clutch.
So. Yeah. I'm
in first gear. Okay. So give it a little bit of gas. Gas. More gas. There you go. All right. And then clutch in. Go to second. And let out the clutch. Give gas. You came to 4th. That's 4th gear, but it's okay.
Should I go to
clutch in? Go over to second. Okay.
Oh, I see.
Just go straight. You give it, yeah, okay. When it starts doing that jerking, you gotta give it gas or push in the clutch. Okay, turn here.
Turn here.
You should have, because it's rough road, rough parking lot. Please be careful. Please be careful. Clutch.
Where am I going?
You gotta, that jerking, you can't let it jerk like that.
Am I switching gears?
If you want to, yeah.
Oh, okay. I see what you're saying. Okay. All right. I got it.
Okay. You're
Clutch?
okay.
What?
You gotta stop that. So you either gotta give it gas or pushing the clutch and cut the power.
I got it.
All right. All right. So you gotta start all over now. So pull it down, put it in first.
I'm in neutral. Now I'm in first.
Okay. And then now it's gonna be, I'm gonna have you turn and do it at the same time. So it's a little bit more difficult or more concentration is needed, okay?
Okay.
So a little bit of gas off the clutch and then we're gonna go that way.
Oh, okay.
Jesus Christ. No, that's not, oh, okay, like it was all
but
good.
I didn't stall.
Don't hit that. Be careful.
Look. It's not, look.
You got so close though.
I didn't. Calm down.
That's what that one lady almost hit when we were doing autocross. Look at that Porsche, I should go get it. All right, go second. Okay, so what all you're missing out on is the reason why it's jerking like that is because you're coming out the clutch too fast and not giving it enough gas.
Okay.
So when you're doing that, just give it a little bit more gas and come out the clutch a little bit slower.
Okay. So I'm in first.
Yep.
Okay. All right. Ready?
Yes. It's too much. Clutch. Oh my God, all right. We're gonna have to get your ass out of here. Shift.
It's easier after first gear.
Yeah, once you get out of first gear. So as you get higher in gears, it gets easier and easier.
So tell me what I'm doing wrong then. So for the jerk.
You're coming off the clutch too fast, so you're gonna try it again?
Yeah.
So come out slower.
Come out of my clutch slower.
Maybe just a little bit slower, but give it gas at the same. Give it more gas at the same time.
So when we start feeling it jerk, do you want me to give it gas or clutch?
You can do either or, but don't let it jerk for a long time. You're letting it jerk way too long.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. So tell me.
So, but we're going that way though. Jesus Christ. Yep, shift. So it's just like your bike, you gotta pay attention to how it sounds, you know what I'm saying?
I'm gonna try that again.
Huh?
I'm gonna try first again.
Stop and try it. Come out the clutch slower. You're still coming out too fast. That clutch is so short, and that's why it's hard for you. Had you felt the other one, and it was so much space, then you would be fine. But this one is really short. Always either clutch in or gas. So if you're in gear, you either have to have the clutch in or be giving the gas, generally speaking.
If I'm in gear?
If you're in gear, right? So right now you got it in gear, it's in first gear. If you're coming to a stop, you have to push the clutch in to cut that power.
Sort of like the bike.
That's why it's jerking. Yes.
Okay, all right.
All right.
Well, see, I feel like I'm on my tiptoes.
That's why I told you to.
I don't like being this close.
Well, girl, get out the driver's seat then.
Stop it. I'm first. Good job pushing the clutch in as you're coming to a stop at that time. Oh, well, you said like the bike, and so now it's starting to click.
Yes, manual transmission, they're all the same.
Okay. All right. What am I doing wrong for that jerk? I'm still coming off the clutch too fast.
Yeah, you're coming off the clutch way too fast.
Okay.
Too much gas.
Okay. Too much gas, and
just go. So get it to like 2,000 RPM and come out of the clutch slow. Let's try that.
with the gas.
The RPM. So go to number 2, and then
2,000 RPMs.
yeah, and then we'll come out of the clutch slow. Maybe 1,500. Okay, so we'll go to 1,500, or yeah, like right there.
And then start coming out.
And then come out of the clutch. But you gotta hold it, and then as you come out of the clutch, you just give it more gas. Because it's this motion again. So you got the clutch in now, and you're not on the gas. And you start giving gas, and you come out the clutch. What you're doing is like this. You're giving it gas, and you're like, boom. Without giving it, you know what I'm saying? Okay. So, all right.
You ready?
Yep. almost had it. All right, so about 15. And then let 15. And then let out slowly. Let out slowly.
I'm halfway out.
Gas. There you go. Look at that. That was way better. Jesus Christ. Coming out of the clutch too fast still. But that's what that was right there. So we did this one last time.
Alright. I'm trying not to. So I'll tell you what's going on. So I'm like this, and I'm at 1500, and I'm already halfway out. Like.
So the clutch has like a little bit of play in it, right? You have to find a point where it's going to start to disengage. You know what I'm saying? So finding that point.
So look, I'm halfway out right now.
Right. So you're understanding that you got that much to play with.
Right.
Right. So then once it starts to like let out really, really slow.
Without pushing the gas?
Yeah.
Like right now?
Yep. But let out
push
slow.
the brake though?
No.
Okay.
So if you let out slowly, at some point it's going to start rolling, but the tack is going to drop from like 900. It's going to drop and sound like it's going to bog out. You see? All right, now clutch back in. So that's when you want to start giving it gas.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Gas.
I came out too fast.
Yeah. So yeah, we'll get it. All right, family. So let her drive the car. I appreciate you guys watching. Comment below how y'all think she did, but don't be rude. All right. Hit the like button, share button,
Please don't.
subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.